morning, everybody. I'm excited. You know why?
I can guess.
Because we're going on a trip. I'm excited. He is nervous.
I always get nervous until we're actually there. If we're flying somewhere, once I'm at the terminal, I'm fine. Today we're cruising. Once I get there to check in, then my nervousness will turn to excitement.
Yeah, as you can see, we're not in his gas guzzling camper pulling truck. We're in my car, plug-in hybrid, because we were headed to New Orleans to hop on a boat.
Yeah, we're driving through Mobile now, so we got a couple more hours.
Oh yeah, but I'm starting to get even more excited now that it's daylight, because we left before the crack of dawn, didn't we, honey?
Yeah, our camper's actually in the campground right now, because when we come home,
We're going camping.
We'll be in the campground because somebody will be in our house for Airbnb. So we're going straight from the cruise to the campground, and we'll be in the camper for about the next
week.
Pretty close, about the next month.
Oh, sweet.
Because we're going to be at Fort Toulouse for a little over a week, and then we're going to be at Gunner Hill, which is a Corps of Engineer park near Montgomery.
And that's our group camping trip. We've got lots of couples coming for that, so looking forward to that.
And we think there's going to be a race that weekend, so we may get to go to a race. And then we leave there and go straight to Gulf Shores for a week for a tennis tournament.
Oh, cool.
So we're at least 3 weeks away from
being at home.
Being home for any other than going home to clean in between guests.
So we're making this drive to New Orleans, and I just had a thought pop into my mind. So
you had a thought?
Yeah, I had a thought. Questions for you. So about 15 years ago, we were making this drive together for the first time. Do you remember that? And what were we?
I do.
Was it something special?
It was for your birthday when we were dating. I don't know why you always get a birthday trip.
It was I know. That's special.
We stayed in some hotel right off the French Quarter that was a tall hotel.
Uh-huh.
I don't remember the name of it.
I don't either.
Remember.
But it was our first trip together. And that would be 15 years ago. Right?
Yes, this past January 15 years ago.
So here we are in the port of New Orleans, waiting to go out to sea. There is Miss Cecilia.
Hi.
And she says,
I say hello. We're in our room now, finally. Not finally. We got in our room pretty quickly. Okay, we got our room kind of quick.
I'd say liar, liar, pants on fire.
I mean, it wasn't bad, but right now we are in our room, on the balcony, waiting for our suitcases to be delivered. And I'm getting a little nervous, crossing my fingers that they will be delivered really soon. This part, we've cruised a lot with Norwegian, and this is not really happening. Every time we've ever come to our room, we've always had our luggage. We don't have it.
I would have to say that we got on the ship pretty quickly after we got here, but things have not been as well organized maybe as the last times we cruised.
Okay.
What would you say about that?
So we were here in the month of March, and apparently half of the whole United States is on spring break, and they are here with us on this cruise right now. It's crowded, y'all. It's crowded.
It's gonna be fun.
You want that t-shirt?
New Orleans is actually moving.
Morning, everyone. We're on the pool deck of the Norwegian Breakaway, starting our first full day at sea.
Started off with a little cup of coffee.
Little cup of coffee,
Actually 2 or 3 cups.
watching people go by. Day 2 of the cruise and starting it out right. Little Bloody Mary. Had a little hot tub time.
Breakfast of champions.
And now we're just going to walk around a little bit and show you some of the ship. So this is the slides Cecilia is going to have to do later today. You stand in the tube and they drop you out.
Have I done that before?
No. So now we're walking into the adults only section of the ship. Back at the stern.